that shit crank.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Love My Roses, and I just started this channel, so I'm gonna need for you guys to tune in because the content is gonna be on swole. I'm gonna be doing reactions, hair tutorials, hauls, pranks, a little bit of everything. Making outfits, DIY projects. But yeah, just tap that notification bell, subscribe down, comment below, anything. I appreciate it all. Period.
Okay, so let's get into this video. What you're gonna need some gloves. You're also gonna need a comb. You're gonna need some dye if your hair is colored like mine. You're also gonna need a little bit of edge control. You already know. We need a wig cap. We need some pump it up spritz. We need some glue protector. We also need glue. You need the hair wraps. You need some got to be glue. You also are going to need your hair. And yeah, let's get started. Oh yeah, and the straightener, of course, the flat iron. Alright, so this is my braiding pattern. As you can see, I just did some simple cornrows, and those are my leave out braids in the middle and on my edges. And right now you're going to see me apply some of this protectant to basically the edges of the perimeter of where glue could possibly touch. I'm just gonna go and just make sure I get those areas really good because we need our edges, ladies, and we don't need any of this hair glue pulling on our hair, period. So that's what you're about to watch me do for the next few minutes. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so now you're about to see me add the wrapping papers to my hair. You're basically going to be applying these on top of the braids that will be under your wig cap. This is just to we're creating a barrier between your hair and the glue, basically. So you basically, it's kind of difficult, it's kind of slippery, it's kind of hard, but you'll see like how I do it. You might laugh at me, but hey, it works. But you're just going to basically make sure you cover literally all of your hair that is going to be under the cap. You're going to cover all of that. So just keep watching. Again, you guys might laugh at me because I had to, do some extra things to make sure that I wrapped it. So yes, I will tie it like a helmet. I will do it however it takes so all my hair can be covered. It doesn't matter, you're going to cut all the excess off, so it's okay to, it's okay. That's all I gotta say. Just don't laugh at me, don't judge me, but a girl gotta do what she gotta do. Period, poo. So yeah, just keep watching and see how I do it. Okay, guys. Okay, so get your laughs out. But yeah, now I have my cap on, and now I'm adding my got to be spray basically around the perimeters and the back. I mean, actually on everything, but I'm making sure I get it on the perimeter because you want to make sure that cap does not move. Make sure you don't try to spray your leave out in the middle. You might want to use like a eyeliner, like a white eyeliner, so you don't get it, but just make sure you spray it really good. Just spray it, as you can see what I'm doing. and I'm trying to avoid my leave out, so just spray it. And yeah, just keep that thing going and just keep spraying, period. And then I'm about to go off camera and blow dry it and cut it, and I'll be back when I start installing. Oh yeah, I also added some shorts, as you can see. But yeah, so I already blow dried it and it's completely dry, so now I'm about to start installing. I'm so excited. Okay, so as you can tell, the hair is very long, it's very shiny. I actually like it. Like, I can't wait to see how this is gonna look. So let's get started, you guys. Okay, so I'm about to start measuring from nape to nape, start at the very back row. I do mine pretty close because I just want to make sure I cover the very perimeter of the cap. This is my personal preference. You don't have to, but right now I'm just measuring, cutting, and I'm about to start laying these tracks, y'all. Period. So yeah, just keep watching, and yeah, any questions or anything that I don't cover, comment below, message me. However, I will answer any questions that I didn't cover inside the video. That's me just trying to set up my mirror, because sometimes you just need a little extra security. I like making sure that I lay them straight. So yeah, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so I've done most of my hair and now I'm at the very top. So, just gotta fill in those little areas. I'm no longer doubling my tracks anymore. I am single laying my tracks, because you don't want the top of your hair to be, too thick or too full, sis. Period. Like, you want your thing to be flat. You want it to lay down. Period. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just filling in these areas. And yeah, it actually didn't take as long as I thought. Like, my sister came in the bathroom to talk to me, of course. So if you see my lips moving, that's why. But I also didn't show you guys when I cut the cap off. But once your hair is dry and you've been adding your tracks, you can cut the cap and it won't shift. It will stay in place. Like, I promise you, it will stay in place. But yeah, just make sure you just keep laying it, going in a circle around your leave out. Try to lay it as flat as possible. And just keep doing the same thing over and over until you fill in all your spaces. So after I finished filling in all these spaces, I then took my gloves and my dye, and I dyed, well, not dyed, but I colored my leave out because, as you can tell, my ends of my real hair is green. So I did that off the camera, and I just put it on there. I let it sit for about 20-30 minutes, not that long, because I was just putting a black rinse on top. I washed it out, I blow dried it really good, and yeah, I just want to let you guys know, because I didn't put that inside this video. But if you do want to see how I color my leave out whenever I do styles, just let me know below, and I will make another video and tutorial on how to color your leave out, just your leave out and not your whole head. But I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you're still watching, please like, comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. If you've watched to this point, I would like if you would drop a rose in the comments below. So yeah, thank you guys for watching if you watched this far, and just stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. My phone had died, so yeah, but it's the finished product. And so I didn't go get my blending stick, but that's the stick that you use in your hair to blend your leave out better with your tracks. But I'll be sure to go get that today. I'll be sure to go get that so I can blend it better. But this is the final look, you know. Like, this is it. Yeah. This is it. Once I blend that leave out better. Tipu, what happened? What'd you say? Oh, but yeah, y'all be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other hairstyles you guys want to. Let me see what other videos you guys want me to drop. Comment down below, or go follow me on social media. Send me a message. I do all kinds of styles. Send it to me, and yeah. And I'm out, you guys. Bye.